Alright, this is how bad this storm is. When I open the door, you're gonna freak out. Look at this. It's up to the door!
Look, we don't need it.
The snow's up to the freaking door!
Look, we don't need it.
Yeah.
So we'll see how light it gets.
This, I don't know how to describe this.
The last bad
Explain
storm,
and describe combined.
bad storm we had like this was in 1996.
Explain and describe mixed together. Excribe. That's how bad it is. Look,
Man,
there's.
this place has gotten huge.
Let's see. Mother Nature have mercy. Oh my god, it's like freezing cold out here. Whoa, there's a bird right there. This is insane. Look at these big flakes. Oh my god. These flakes are huge. Echo. Nice. Icicles. These flakes are freaking huge. I have never seen this before. Not once has the snow been up to our door ever. Not once. At least, not that I recall. Let's see. I'm going to bring out the tape measure and measure the snow. Go out there and measure the snow and see how much we've gotten so far. Alright. This is a 12-foot tape measure. Alright, I'm afraid to go out here, but jeez, these flakes are huge! Ah! Okay, here we go. We're going out here. Let's see here. Oh my god, 7 inches. About 7 inches of snow. Okay. 7 inches of snow on the patio. Come on, Dixon. God. And this is not even halfway done. Oh my god. According to my laptop, yeah, I got a new background. You like? Modern Warfare. It is 16 degrees, but it should be like colder than that. It's like, it says 16 to 3 right there. Oh, you stupid screensaver. Right here, it says, come on. -7 is a low for today, according to this. So yeah, that's the progressing snowstorm, and I will keep making these videos if it gets worse. Don't you think I won't? So yeah, second video of the day actually. That's kind of amazing, but you gotta do it when you're in this kind of a snowstorm situation. But this is a short video. I'll let you go. Bye bye.